Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.
Walaikum assalam. How are you?
I'm fine, thank you.
Okay, please take a seat. যদি প্রথমে যাই আমরা এখানে আমাদের গত ক্লাসে আমরা অ্যাসপিরেটেড কিছু সাউন্ড দেখেছিলাম PT and K. The P sound is pa. The P sound is
Fa.
pa and the T sound is
Ta.
ta and the K sound is
Ka.
ka. Very good. সাউন্ড সহকারে বলি তাহলে কিভাবে বলবো?
For fen.
Papa fail. একটু জোরে বলো.
For fen.
Papa fail. Okay, next.
Ta ten.
Tata.
Ten.
Tata 10. Okay.
Can.
Papa can. Okay, next.
For fort.
Papa fort.
Top.
Tata top. Okay.
Cot.
Tata cot. Okay. Next.
For fat.
Hat.
Tap. Cap.
Okay, very good. Thank you so much. Can you please tell me the sentence number 1?
Please come to me today.
Please come to today. Very good. Next.
Can you please tell me the time?
Can you please tell me the time? Very good. Next.
Who can help the foe?
Who can have the phone? Okay. Next.
Can I use your pen and pencil, please?
Can I use your pen and pencil, please? Okay. Very good.
I have 10 times more.
I have 10 times more. Okay.
Who is called the top?
Let's go to the top. Okay. Very good.
You can come quickly by wearing a cup.
Okay. Fantastic.
Please cancel today's meeting.
Okay, you've done also well and very fine. Thank you so much. Hopefully you better in the next Viva meeting, and I hope your team is better performing because you are an excellent captain in the team.